Hi everyone, this is Rahul here. Welcome to my channel. It's been some time since I posted about my car and wanted to give you a few updates. It's been more than 3 years now with my Skoda Rapid automatic diesel variant. It's a style variant that was, I think the top model at that time, 3 years ago, 3+ years. And I want to let you know that a few things have changed. For example, the battery itself has now withered away, and I had to get a new battery installed in this car. And because of that, the setting here you are seeing, right, the time and all that was little off. So I will tell you how you can set your time, change it accordingly, whenever you want. So let's just show you how it is to be done. So you see this particular icon here on the left hand side. Yeah, usually in some cars you have like a cylindrical thing coming out where you can press it and then you can work or edit the time. Here you have to press this. See what happens when you press this. Now you can see this is blinking, right? Now click here, you can change it. For example, let's just press it again, and now you want to press, you can press here. Look what happens, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I want to make it 5. That's the current time that's happening. And then you can either just do nothing now, it will wait for some time, it will go away, or you can even press this again and change these minutes here. You can further go down, and then things will change, like you are seeing the time here and stuff like that. So yeah, that's a quick way to change the settings of your car. In general, I would say I'm pretty happy with this model. It has been really good, service has been good, and I was not expecting that my battery will just die after 3 years, but yes, that's what has happened. These ratings or these kilometers might not be accurate because these have changed multiple times, because when I go for sometime service, and these things keep changing, so don't go by that. And if I show you the average, it has been giving me decent, you can see that, right? But that's still not the accurate one. I haven't been driving much due to the pandemic, so the car has been inside my at my home only, and I haven't driven much. So the mileage increases if I drive on highways, and it have seen it also picking up like 20+ kilometers per hour, which is really good. So I have no complaints regarding that. What else? Music system is working well, as you can see. Again, infotainment system is working well with my iPhone. This is a USB Type-C cable, and I got this phone from UAE, and then I got this particular USB Type-C cable, and the charger that I had was also different. It was like USA type you have, right? That's prevalent in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. So I just bought this on Amazon, a gold-plated thing to just help me with inserting this in normal USB slots. And yeah, it's working fine. It's a fast charging cable. Probably because of that my battery also got a little withered, and that it's not working. Other than that, pretty happy with the car, no problem. And I hope you all are keeping safe and well. I wish you well, I wish your families well. I know it's a tough time in India, but we'll all come out of it stronger. So stay safe, have faith, and if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll just try putting more videos regularly now, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.